I want to talk about the supply chain situation. My team has given me a handy list because we've had a lot of questions around why things are late or why things are taking longer or why things are becoming more expensive. The flow of COVID, I guess, and the pandemic has gone. I feel like it's kind of peaked and things are ramping back down again, but we're seeing a not delayed reaction, but in packaging and the supply chain, things are still really snarled up. Couple of reasons. Forest fires, major North American cities that are banning plastic bags have meant that there's much more demand for paper bags. We had one factory that offered us handle bags without handles. They said they had run out of glue. That means that someone took them up on that offer. Someone was like, yeah, don't worry about the handles. Like we are that desperate. We've heard it all at this point. We've heard it all. Because lead times and the cost of shipping containers going out to Asia has gone up so much, there's been a flux of folks going back to North American factories and buying from North America because traditionally they are faster and there's less shipping, and now North American factories are becoming really overrun. This is not a minor situation. There's an increased demand for compostable plastics, even though I wouldn't say that there's any increased ability to dispose of PLA. I think that COVID has increased people's awareness of the environment and understanding that things are delicate and we need to take care of them. Unfortunately, that's meant that there's a lack of resin. There's a lack of the raw material that makes PLA. And so we've had increased prices, slower lead times, or just not being able to get the material at all. Oh, obviously just COVID. People have moved so much toward more takeout packaging. So that's meant just increased demand and factories having to turn away orders. There are so many factories right now that are saying we're at capacity for the foreseeable future. If you need packaging in the next 6 months, definitely good to start planning early because we might have to find some alternatives from what you've had in the past. Yeah, I feel like I haven't done a video in a while. Feeling kind of rusty. We can always find something. We're very resourceful. There's definitely a pile of laundry behind me. Nice one. I hope that was helpful. I appreciate you watching this.